Welcome to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Yootech wireless charging pad, and this is a 2-pack, so there's 2 of these in here. This is a very, very inexpensive wireless charger, and we're going to flip it around first to make sure we read some of the specs. As you can see here is the model F500. It says it has an input of 5 volts and 9 volts, or output of 5 watts and 7.5 watts and 10 watts. We don't know exactly what this means in the sense that will it give 5.5, 7.5, 10, or 5. But just in case, let's open it up. We cut the tape on the bottom, so this should be an easy opening now. There we go. And let's get them out of here. As you can see, it's a double pack, which is a really good value because we need it maybe at work or on our desk or on a nightside table. And then we have here a USB-A to USB-C, which is nice, but a lot of people have moved to USB-C only. And then we have here another one that's exactly the same. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, so the same one. And then here we have the wireless charging pads, which we have one. And then we have a second one here. We have a little sticker on top. And as you can see, you have the USB-C here. So this was the unboxing of the Yootech wireless pads that basically will let you charge your phone, AirPods, and some other devices. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments below.